Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio, and today is the day we're going to see who is winning this little cute folio that I have here. Now, if you're new to my station, this is the first time you clicked here, I usually have projects and things to show you, but today is just a giveaway, is a follow-up on a giveaway that I did a few weeks ago. And I asked people to enter it, and we're going to find out the winner. But please come back next week or look at one of my videos I've done previously to get an idea of what I do on this station. So I'm excited to see who is going to be the winner. So I'm going to step over to the computer and take you with me. So the moment of truth has come. I am going to be using the commentpicker.com, and what it will do is it'll go through the comments that were made on that particular video, and it will choose one randomly. So I'm going to press the start button, and we're going to find out who is the winner. It's Joanne. Well, congratulations, Joanne. So make sure that you send me all the particulars where I can mail this to. I have here where you can contact me. You can contact me at my Etsy shop. The link is down below in the description box as well, but I'll just put it here on the screen. And just send me your particulars, and we will get this mailed out to you. Yeah, congratulations. You have something to do this spring. So thanks so much for joining me, and please, we'll see you next week. Talk to you later. Bye.